Okay, so in this video, I'll be installing this time Windows Media Player 8 that was bundled with Windows XP RTM or Service Pack 1. So in this video, I'll be installing it on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So let's get started. First things first, you need 7-zip. Oh, wait. Yeah. So we need to install 7-zip. Let me check the downloads. I may have downloaded it. No. So we need to download 7-zip. Make sure you have the 64 version for your Windows 64, or otherwise it won't be added to your context menu. Sorry, the sound is a little bit choppy. And we need the resource hacker. Sorry. There we go. And we need to have the Windows Media Player 8 set up, of course. So let's begin by going to, let me type here, Control Panel, go to Programs, turn Windows features on or off. Well, on Windows 10, this method works fine. On Windows 11, however, it needs a little bit different step. So let's see, yeah, we need to turn off media features completely. Okay. Applying changes. Well, it may take a while because I'm using a virtual machine, so that might take a lot of time for me. Oh, there we go. Windows completed the request changes. Close. When you attempt using, well, this step actually works for Windows 7 also, but you may need to restart your computer, so save all your work for taking this step. Okay, let's now use 7-zip to extract this installer. Extract to here, and we need to open this here. We need to extract the second one here. Extract to P8, and let's look for setup WM. Now right click and open using resource hacker. Go to version info. We'll have to change this 7 here to number 13 or whatever number you want to in order for it to install. This tricks your machine to recognize this as a newer version. Now let's compile script and save. Now go ahead and try to open this. Okay, welcome to Windows Media Components Setup. So hit next. Now if you see this screen right here, if it did not ask you to reinstall all components or upgrade newer, that means you done something wrong. So let's click here next, next, next. Now don't worry if you see setup has failed. It's just normal. See, setup has failed. This is normal. Now click on finish here, and there you go. You have successfully installed Windows Media Player 8 on Windows 10. Okay, so let's try now installing it on Windows 11. Yeah, it might take a while. Oh, here we go. Oh, there is some updates are on their way, so it's gonna just take a while. Oh, it's not. Wow. So here we have Windows 11 pre-installed. Now, I forgot to mention something. You might try to play something on this on Windows Player 8 after you have installed it, so it might give you an error if you try to play MP4 file. No worry, you can install Klite, make a codecs pack to resolve this issue. I'm going to install it right now. I'm going to go and downgrade this one as well. So don't worry if 7-zip did not show here. Go to show more options, and we have here 7-zip. Extract to, we're just going to extract it as the same way as we did with Windows 10. Now we go to show more options, of course, and extract to MP8 slash. Now, there's something we need to do first here. Well, in this version of Windows, actually you have to go to settings instead of control panel. And wait, oh, there we go. Now type here on search, type optional and click on optional features. Now here type media to narrow things down. We're going to see here Windows Media Player Legacy, which is Windows Media Player 12, of course. Now we have just click on uninstall, wait for the uninstallation finishes. Wait until this thing to, oh, sorry. I pressed that. Now we wait until it tells us uninstalled. Okay, that's good. Now we go there and do the same steps we did. Find locate setup setup underscore WM. Rename this. Oh no, I mean open using resource hacker, sorry. And version info here, of course, I'm going to change it to whatever version I want. Just type in 13 just to trick the compatibility assistant to, you know, recognize this as a new version. So it will allow us to install it. Go ahead and click on compile and then save. Now go ahead and install it just like normal. It might take a while. Now, don't worry again, if you see setup has failed, it's just because it might need to check for updates or something. So this is normal. Click finish here. And here we have this media player here. And I'm going to change something here. I'm going to uncheck start player and media guide. And that's it. We have it successfully installed on Windows 11. So thank you for watching. Please leave a nice comment and subscribe.